Hello, brother.
Hi,
What is your name?
Mahmoud Raza.
Mahmoud Raza. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Pakistan. Good people. I love Pakistani people. See,
Thank you.
this program is named دولارات الخير. Good dollar. We help people in Ramadan. We give dollar. Okay.
Okay.
For all people help us in Corona life and in this bad situation.
Okay.
And we say I will ask you one question. Good question. If you answer, I will give you $100. You know Omar ibn Khattab?
Yes. Hazrat Umar?
Hazrat Omar ibn Khattab.
Yes.
Yes, you know Hazrat Omar ibn Khattab. You brother, you know I will ask you one question. If you answer, I will give you $100 also.
Yeah.
Okay? You know Osman ibn Affan? You know Ali ibn Abi Talib? Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib. Okay, I will ask you one question. You know Mo Salah, Muhammad Salah?
Yes. Prophet Muhammad.
No, Prophet Muhammad, no. Mo Salah, this is footballer, player.
Yes.
Egyptian, for footballer. Okay, I want his win also. Sadaf 6 is one brother. Go direct. Yes.
Okay, wait.
Yeah,
Umar, wait.
I wait.
Sadaf 6?
Yeah. Okay, see that.
Sida?
Yes. Okay, brother. Wait. Okay. You know Umar ibn Khattab. You know Ali ibn Abi Talib. Hadrat Ali ibn Abi Talib. You know Messenger of Muhammad. Okay. Because you know Hadrat Umar ibn Khattab. Inshallah, I will give you $100 because you're a very good man. And برنامج دولارات الخير بنقف جنب كل الناس اللي وقفت جنبنا، عمال النظافه وعمال الدليفري، بنقول لهم كل سنه وانتم طيبين. مقابل كل لايك وسبسكرايب لقناتنا على اليوتيوب بنطلع دولارات للخير. النهارده في ليله القدر كله كسبان معانا. وعثمان your name Mahmoud from Pakistan. He win $100.
Thank you.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Say Ramadan Kareem for all Egyptian people and all Muslim people. Another side. تمام. دولارات حقيقيه في رمضان في ليله القدر بنقول للناس كلها كل سنه وانتم طيبين. ورمضان ومحمود كسب معانا من باكستان وكل الناس اللي وقفت جنبنا في ازمه كورونا كله كسبان معانا وكل سنه وانتم طيبين ورمضان كريم. Only to smile and say Ramadan Kareem for all people.
Okay.
Ramadan Kareem always and smile. Please smile, Mahmoud.
Okay.
Okay, always smile. Have a
Okay.
nice day.
Okay.